So my name is Omar Abisad. It is 11:37 a.m., September 14th, 2019. So I'm going to show you the blood pressure readings that I took right after I ate this morning. So this is the last, as a starting point, this is the last measurement I took. So this is 11:28 this morning, a few minutes ago. So that was normal. So let me go through the readings before that. So this is 10:43. 10:38, 10:36, 10:28, 10:26, huge increase, 10:25, 10:23, 10:22, 10:19, 10:18, 10:17, 10:14, 10:12, 10:11, 10:10, 10:09, and that's 6 this morning, 6:30. So let me do that in reverse. So at 10:09, 114 over 79, 10:10, 118 over 80, 10:11, 113 over 76, 10:12, 136 over 76 went up, 10:14, 122 over 80 went down. So 10:12 was 136, 10:14 was 122, 10:17, 110 over 81. So the one before that was 122, went back down 110, and this is all in a sitting position. There is no activity associated with this. So 10:17, 10:18, 111 over 87. So the number underneath draw increase. So it was 110 over 81. In 1 minute, it went up to 111 over 87. So the bottom number increased. So that's 10:19. The top number increased. 10:22. Top number decreased. Both decreased actually. 124 over 82 to 104 over 71. Up and down, up and down, up and down. 1023, 114 over 72. 1025, 108, 74. Up and down, up and down. 1026, a huge increase, 133 over 124. So the one before that was 108 over 74 to 133 over 124 in 1 minute. So 108 over 74 to 133 over 24 over 124 to 108 over 71 in 1 minute. Huge heart palpitation and fluttering. So that's 1028. 1025, 1026, 1028, 1036, up and down, 1038, fairly normal, 1043, normal, 1128, normal. So what I saw there was um, in sync with the pulsing of the power, because the power that I'm pulsed with, as I demonstrated in my data that I uploaded, that I took off the spectrum analyzer, um, the power is up and down, up and down, up and down. The pressure is up and down, up and down, up and down. When the pressure goes up, the power seemed to have gone up. I have to have more data to show you that. Um, so we'll do more data to synchronize those two sets of uh, findings. But what definitely is true is there is an up and down, up and down, up and down pattern, and then it has a huge increase and a huge decrease, which is a palpitation, and then more up and down until it normalizes. So there's a fluttering effect. After the huge palpitation, there's a fluttering effect, and I get slightly dizzy. Now, when the power is turned down, um, for instance, when I'm out of the building and I have